Hey there, I'm Sarah with WTI.
I'm always looking for fun toys for my grandson that also encourage imaginative play and learning. This is a 16-piece set from OWNONE. They are soft, squishy building blocks. They've got animal pictures on them. They have bright colors and shapes, and most importantly, they are soft. So my grandson is 15 months old, and his favorite thing besides putting everything in his mouth is to throw things. So having something soft is important to me, and these definitely are, but they are also fun for him. And because there's so much happening on these blocks, he doesn't get bored even as he gets older and learns new things. I love the four little squishy, squeaky animals that come with it. They make fun bath toys as well. So great for imaginative play, but also soft enough for young children.
This set of squishy, soft blocks that have a squeaker in them and so many different puzzles and images and so much to do, they are exactly what I was hoping for my grandson. And that is my point of view.